Hello everybody, this is my Thermador catalog number AP161 Fan Forced Space Heater. It has a thermostat control and 1,650 watts of power. Now this is definitely not a plastic Energy Star type heater. Now I'm introducing this one as a project because it's going to need some work before it will be fully functional. It worked initially when I got it, but the fan motor does not reach full speed right now due to the bearings being gummed up with old oil residue. Also, when I went to try it again recently, sparks shot out from the vicinity of the thermostat inside the motor. So this one has issues that are going to need resolving before it's ready for prime time. But we'll explore and document all of the diagnostics and repairs in a future video, so you all will get to see that when we get to this project. Nonetheless though, this unit is in great cosmetic shape, so let's take a look around it. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing this vintage Thermador. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.